What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
Relax, Zen. Breathe in.
Alright, eto si Kim.
May I introduce to you our young and dynamic boss, Mr. Brandon Manansala Castillo.
Okay. Wait. Hindi ba ano to? Hindi ba kinuha yung name nila for the Tagalized version ng Kapamilya Novelas, yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Alam ko may other name sila dun na ginamit eh. And like sa mga adaptation ng GMA sa mga K-dramas din nila na kung ano yung Tagalized name nila ay ganun din yung name nila for the live or the remake or the adaptation. Dito iba.
Resignation letter ko.
Okay, that scene. Okay.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
This is the end of an era.
Nag-resign na po ako.
Oh, she's not just my secretary.
You can't let her
Well, in fairness, yung comedic side ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, na-feel ko din siya dito sa